A day in the life of a bus driver. Being a bus driver is both demanding and rewarding. Every day, I wake up early, ready to embark on my journey through the city's bustling streets. My work routine is a carefully choreographed dance between punctuality, safety, and customer service. My day starts at the crack of dawn. I believe in getting a head start to ensure that the buses are in perfect condition. After a quick safety check and inspection, I'm on the road, ready to pick up my first batch of passengers. Throughout the day, my route takes me through various neighborhoods, each with its unique charm and challenges. I encounter a diverse group of commuters, each with their own stories and destinations. Patience and a friendly demeanor are crucial in this line of work, as I help people from all walks of life get to where they need to be. Safety is my top priority. I'm vigilant about following traffic rules, using turn signals, and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. I make sure to announce stops clearly, ensuring that everyone on board feels secure and informed. The hours can be long, and traffic jams are not uncommon, but I find solace in knowing that I'm contributing to the smooth functioning of the city. The sight of school children with their backpacks, elderly folks on their way to the market, and professionals heading to work all remind me of the vital role I play in their daily lives. Lunch breaks are brief, but I make the most of them. I grab a quick bite, take a moment to recharge, and prepare for the afternoon leg of my journey. It's important to stay alert and focused, especially during rush hour when the streets are bustling with activity. As the day draws to a close, I reflect on the hundreds of faces I've seen, the countless conversations overheard, and the satisfaction of knowing I've helped people reach their destinations safely. Returning the bus to the depot, I complete my end-of-day checks, ensuring it's ready for another day of service. Being a bus driver is more than just a job, it's a commitment to the community. It requires a blend of patience, responsibility, and a genuine care for the well-being of others. Despite the challenges, I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's a privilege to be a part of the city's rhythm, ensuring that everyone gets where they need to go.
Thank you for listening to English Audio Lounge. We hope you have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more audio stories to improve your listening.